See if you see a street on here. Lockard, I think. Okay, bro. Well, you better stop. Say 21, John, 1024. Lockard and Ash. Stop. 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 No. Stop. John Road 1037. We're on Ash Street. North on Ash. Black Toyota Camry. Don't take this, brother. Just hold it for a second. 35 Jones on the road. Speed 70, give him the tag. 28's going to be boy out of Edward, 8-9 ball. Boy out of Edward, 8-9 ball. Street, Ruddle, back on Ruddle. Back on Ruddle South. Crossing the tracks.
Down Ruddle.
Crossing the tracks right now, speed's about 80. Passing oncoming traffic. Still southbound, speed 100. Just passed 239. You ready? North on Ruddle. Tell them we side swiping or north on Ruddle. Side swipe. Passing. Same time. Crossing the tracks. Crossing the tracks. Breakdowns again. TBI. Roll over, roll over, roll over.
Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands! Hands up! Say 21 John, bro, we got TVI, roll over, he's back. We're cruising to get out. Get out of the car! Get out, open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Crawl out the passenger side! Crawl out the passenger side! Hey, come around, young, come around. Passenger side! Young, when he comes out, put him in cuffs. Get your ass out!
Hands out!
Get right now. Get your hands up right now. Get your hands up right now.
Put down! Get out!
Hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Get down. Get him. Cuff him up.
I'm scared, sir.
Yeah?
I don't care.
Cuff him up.
You're right, sir. You're right.
Yeah, I did. Is anybody else in the car with you?
Just leave.
Go ahead. 10-15.
I'm on the phone with
Tell me the next 10, 11. Okay, why'd you run?
You got out of prison.
Okay, relax.
My dad.
Yeah, look here, roll over.
Okay.
Just stand him up. He run, man. He run. I don't know why. He ran.
My dad was on the phone.
Okay, that's fine. But he ran. You okay? Do you need an ambulance?
Okay, I'm just scared.
Okay, do you need an ambulance or anything?
I don't know. I'm just scared, sir.
Listen to me. What's your name? Where did you see him? Is there anything illegal in the car? Are you wanted?
No, sir. I just left my
Why are you running?
I'm scared, sir. You got behind me for no reason.
No, it wasn't no reason. But why are you? No, here, just leave it in there.
I just told my dad I'm going to Walmart.
Hold on, not yet. Let me have his ID. But why are you running like that?
I don't know. I don't know
either.
I don't know.
Okay.
I was telling you I was going to Walmart. You said no, sir.
I tried to stop you, and you wouldn't stop. And then when I said stop, you took off on me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay if you got scared, but I'm just saying. I'm just waiting on 10, 11. You're his dad? Yeah. C21, Jonesboro, name, date of birth. Last of Sims, first of Rennie, R-E-N-N-I-E, Rennie Edward Sims Jr., 12/21/95, male, black.
When you went, maybe 1 or 2 weeks in another thing, please.
Last of Sims, first of Rennie, R-E-N-N-I-E, Rennie Edward Sims Jr., 12/21/95, male, black. Just make sure you're searching good. You got let me get you a bag, put off the property in. No, I want to make sure I can drive, and I'll get out of the way when you open this up. No, not right now, I don't think. I think we're good. Hey, you put this property in here. Well, look, we'll talk to you in just a second, okay?
Put your car right there in the right. That was on 321.
Go ahead. Yeah, if you can get in there. My man. Yeah, what the heck?
I'm just
Dude, if it was just a no driver's license or something, man, you'd been good. I promise.
I'm scared. I just got out of prison. I seen people get killed all the times on the news. I don't know. I'm scared. I just want to be around my uncle. Somebody to be there.
I get that. I understand, but you can't run like that, partner.
I'm scared. That's why I would put using my turn signals. I don't know. I was losing it.
I got you. Just relax for a second, okay? Huh?
It's got a cut water in it.
Yeah.
South Lockard Street,
What is it?
It's got alcohol in it.
Okay. Hey, put his stuff up in the car that way. I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to move to the street.
Okay, I'm sitting back here. Okay?
Yeah, well, here, no, here, go ahead and, hey, put it up here to hop up in the front. Yes, sir.
You got any injury or damage?
No, well, I gotta move my Tahoe. I got a little bit of damage here, but it's not, hang on a second. I'm drivable. I'm that kind of damage, but yeah, I got a little bit.
What kind?
Well, we just got him. Let me get out the road real quick so I can really look at it.
Look at my car.
You good?
Yeah, we're good. We're right here at North Parkway and Ruddle.
You got other units out with you?
Oh yeah, we got about 4 or 5 Blytheville
And
county.
He ain't hurt either.
No. Might have been drinking a little bit, but I'm trying to figure that out.
Is your body mic on?
Yeah.
No, so 21.
Turn the camera off.